Have you ever felt like no one truly sees you or values your gifts? If you are a projector in human design, then this may be why. Your strategy is waiting for the invitation. And in this video, we're going to dive deep into what that really means, how to align with it, and why it holds the key to your success, recognition, and fulfillment. Let's get started. But before we explore the projector strategy, let's first define what strategy actually is in human design. Every energy type, generators, manifestors, projectors, reflectors, manifesting generators, every type has a unique way of interacting with the world. And strategy is then the correct way for each type to make decisions and to navigate life with the least amount of resistance. When you align with your strategy, then life flows with more ease and synchronicities will appear and your energy feels more natural and more fulfilling. So now let's go into the projector strategy of waiting for invitation. Because if you are a projector, then this is your strategy to wait for the invitation. But what does that actually mean? Unlike manifestors who initiate and generators who respond, projectors are here to guide others, but only when they are recognized and invited. This means that you need to wait for people to genuinely see your wisdom and then invite you into big decisions such as relationships, careers, moving, health, or any other type of major life changes. And many projectors struggle with this because society teaches us to push forward and to make things happen. Also, we want to help people. We see so much as a projector, and we see things going wrong, or we see that they're heading for the abyss, and we want to sort of keep them from experiencing that or keep them from falling to the abyss. So our intentions are really good in general. But when we try to talk about the things that we see without people asking for our opinion, asking for our advice, then people will resist it. People will be angry. People will not want to listen. And that makes us feel really shitty when that happens. And so when a projector forces guidance without being invited, without being asked for your advice or your insight or whatever, then that often leads to bitterness and exhaustion for you as the projector because other people will not appreciate you for your gifts. So, how do you then align with your strategy? How do you embrace waiting for the invitation in daily life? Well, it starts with cultivating your gifts. So instead of chasing invitations and not asking people, do you want my advice? Can I give you my opinion? Can I help you with this? Focus on mastering your wisdom so that people will naturally recognize your value. And like energy attracts like energy. So in essence, you don't have to do anything. You just need to focus on being yourself, growing your wisdom, and then sort of being that lighthouse that shines out, I am knowledgeable. And then people will naturally gravitate to your wisdom because they recognize your value. You also need to be selective with your invitations. Not every invitation is the right one. So trust in your authority to guide you. If you don't know how to work with your authority, then look at my previous videos because I discussed your specific authority and how to work with it. And so not everything that triggers you is for you to respond to, and you need to trust in your authority, whichever one that is, to help you make the right decision, to guide you. And lastly, you need to rest and recharge. Projectors are not designed for constant action. So you need to honor your need for rest so that you can be at your best when the right invitations come. And most projectors can only be active and productive 2 hours of the day. So that means the rest of the time you need to work on your alignment and on your wisdom or whatever it is to keep yourself in this right state of energy. And then trust that the right invitation, the right thing for you to respond to will come. So when you wait for the right invitation as a projector, then life becomes harmonious for you. Recognition will flow naturally. Success will feel effortlessly. And instead of bitterness, you will experience a deep, deep inner satisfaction and fulfillment. You are here to be seen for your unique insights, for your unique gifts. So that means you need to trust that the right people will recognize you when the timing is right. Are you a projector? Have you been struggling with waiting for invitations? Then let me know in the comments. What are your experiences? What have you tried? What has worked? What has not worked? Do you have questions? Put it all into the comments. And if you want to discover your full human design blueprint, then you might want to grab your BU by Design blueprint for deep insights in your energy and your purpose. The link to do so will be below this video. But if you want to go deeper, if you want to study yourself and then maybe also connect with a small group of like-minded people that are also studying themselves so that you can discuss and concur and confer and find support and support each other and maybe make new friends, then you might want to join my BU by Design Mastermind so that we can explore who you are, truly are, at your core, at your design, together. But if you think, no, 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 I don't want to be in a group and I want to go really fast and I really need something bespoke, then you are looking for one-on-one guidance. If that is you, then book a free clarity call with me and let's dive into your unique design, see if we are a good fit, and see how we can work together to get you to where you want to be. The link to do that will also be below this video. And if you enjoyed this video, then I'd like to ask you to not forget to like the video, maybe share it with someone you think it is valuable for, to subscribe to the channel, and to turn on the notifications bell so that you will never miss another video again. For today, I thank you for watching. I wish you an amazing rest of your day, and I look forward to inspiring you with next week's video.